You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of these French dish. For more names and cooking terms from French cuisine, make sure to stay tuned. We've got loads to learn here if you want to learn how to pronounce them all. You found the right channel. Croque, French pronunciation, croque Madame. Croque Madame in English. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, here is how you can say it in English. English pronunciation, Croque Madame. Croque Madame from French, Croque Madame. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.